daging canggu. Oh, not in canggu, really. Ahmed. I got canggu on my mind. Okay, so we're stopping to eat.
Bikin apa? Bakar-bakar aja. Mbak, kelihatan?
Huh? Oh yeah, okay. We're gonna go upstairs, Sam. Oh, so this is a hotel. It's like a nice hotel. What's the difference between paket 1 and paket 2? Ada beda apa? Paket 1, paket 2.
Kalau yang pakai 1 itu sambelnya gini kayak kecap sama cabai, terus ukurannya lebih kecil. Kalau yang paket 2-nya dia agak gede.
Oh yeah.
Bigger fish.
Yeah, 2 ya.
Tahun berapa ya? Udah lama sih, 5 tahunan yang lalu ya.
This is a nice place.
Yeah.
Big. Got a lot of rooms. The rooms look nice.
Yeah.
The beds look nice. So we're checking out more places to stay. Drum whiskey. Oh, some of the worst whiskey in the world. The rooms are big. Wow, with balconies, refrigerator, air conditioning. Okay, obviously some idiot was here at one time. Please do not stand on the handrail. Thank you. Got a little bar up here. Oh, good beer prices. Wow. $35 for a big beer. Okay, so price here for rooms, $200, $250 with breakfast, and regular prices, $300 and $350. So another place with coronavirus, and the place we were staying at last night was $600, right? For the room that we paid $200 for. So I won't be staying there when the virus is over. Okay, this is fish at this place, whatever the name is, which I will figure out later. And local prices, like they said. And the fish is really good. Nice and fresh. Yeah? Yeah. Sit there, have a beer, listen to the kids scream.
Ini kalau ke sana, kalau
There's a trail there. Crystal Ocean View, Tulamben Backpacker Restaurant, Kaki Lima, Rasa Bintang Lima, at Bali Spark, Tulamben. Well, there's an email address, or website. I love this part of the road. I used to drive my motorcycle here when I was younger and crazier. I'd drive really fast and go up, and down, This road has always been good for some reason. Always paved. Oh, okay. Why was he doing that? It was so funny.
Hey. Huh? Boss, what? You call me boss. What? rokok ya. Arju.
There it is. Whoa, it's different. Well, he's dead. I don't know what. I wonder what they did with him.
I think that's it.
Yeah, there. Let's see.
Welcome.
It's still open.
Oh ya?
Yeah. Huh? No. Too depressing. Oh, they fixed the door. I wonder what that's from. Maybe that's when he died. Oh, they've done some work on it.
That, no?
No. Don't depress me. Me and Roy are the only two left alive. Outsider collection's wonderful. Ah, Simon. And here we are, Amed-Tulamben-Singaraja.